On your Android phone, open your favorite browser and type account.apple.com, and you directly jump into official Apple account website. Here you can just tap on sign in, or you can tap this arrow, tap on sign in, and now all you have to need, enter here your Apple ID, email or phone number, tap on continue, and enter here your Apple ID or Apple account password, then tap on sign in. And now we can see enter the verification code to your Apple devices. So now go to your iPhone and collect this 6-digit verification code. Once you successfully signed in, here you will find your Apple account, email, phone number. You can also change your Apple ID password from here. You can just customize everything from this Apple account.